Yes, students, today we are starting with formatting. We are going to continue today, and the first topic is page break. Let me set the page before we start with the page break. Okay. Page break is if I want to insert a new page. Suppose if I keep pressing enter, a new page will appear. See. So I am on the second page now. You can see that this is the end of the one page and this is second page. Now this came automatically by pressing enter key number of times. That page got filled and we moved to the second page. Another two methods are there to insert the page. That is, first is we have to go to the insert. In the pages group there is an option page break. I have to click on that and I am on a third page. See, we are on page number 3. You can have a look on this. Now suppose if I want another page break, I can go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group there is an option of break. I can go to the break and click on page. See, now I am on page number 4. Okay, so these were the all methods through which we can insert the page break. Two for proper methods are, one is in the page layout and another is in the insert. The third one which I told you in the beginning is a manual method through which we directly automatically reach to the second page when the one page is full. But whenever methods are being asked, you have to share these two methods. One is through insert, another is through page layout. Next topic is header and footer. Suppose if I want a heading to get appeared on every page. जैसे आप बुक में देखते हो हर एक पेज के ऊपर लिखा है किप्स लर्निंग कंप्यूटर्स विद किप्स, मतलब कुछ भी हेडिंग दी हुई है, इट्स ऑन एवरी पेज. तो हर एक पेज पर हम हर बार लिखेंगे तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी टू टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. So what I can do is I can go to the insert and I can click on header to place a header. I can go to the edit header and I can write down format. जो भी आपने heading देनी है, suppose अब हमारा formatting topic चल रहा है तो मैंने heading दे दी formatting. Now this formatting will appear on every page. This heading will appear on every page. If you want you can change the size and all if you want. मैं इसका size थोड़ा बड़ा कर देती हूँ, इसका style of writing change कर देती हूँ, and I can make it bold, italic, whatever formatting you want to do you can do that. Okay, after doing this, see this will, I'm just coming out of that. Otherwise you can close officially also, like if I am in the formatting you can close this option, you can choose this button, close and header and footer. Now I am in the page. See, this is fourth page, this is third page. Every page will have this heading formatting. Okay, similarly I can write again. I am just opening that formatting window or header window, edit header, which is formatting is already there. अगर आपने कुछ और insert करना है, suppose if I want to insert a page number or something like that, that also you can do. अब सिर्फ पेज नंबर आ गया. अगर आपको हेडिंग भी लिखनी थी तो यू नीड टू राइट इट डाउन. इसने ओवरराइट करके इसने सिर्फ आपको पेज नंबर दे दिया. आप दोनों चीज़ें भी लिख सकते हो चाहो तो. सपोज़ अगर मुझे पेज नंबर ही रखना है तो आई कैन कीप द पेज नंबर ऑल्सो. ये पेज नंबर 1 आ रहा है, सेकेंड पे ऑटोमेटिकली, थर्ड पे ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, similarly you can insert footer also. You go to the insert, you click on footer, you can go to the edit footer and you can write something, or you can insert date and time, or suppose if I want the date to be appear and update automatically वो update भी करेगा date को. So it's being appeared. Okay, the same way you can insert a page number if you want. You can write down some text along with the date. You can close it from this close tab and this footer will appear on every page now. Can you see the footer? After header and footer, next topic is पेज बॉर्डर. अगर मुझे पूरे पेज पर एक बॉर्डर चाहिए, I want to give a border to the complete page. For that, what I need to do is I have to go to the border and shading option. That is in the page layout. As I told you earlier also, in the page layout there is a page background group. In that there is a page border. Just click on that. Page border tab is active. This is same tab. If you click on the border, ये हमने पहले भी किया है जब हमने पैराग्राफ को बॉर्डर दिया था. अब हम पेज को बॉर्डर दे रहे हैं. You have to select the box. You have to select the style of line you want. Color you want. You have to decide कि आपको कौन से कलर की लाइन चाहिए. Thickness you can decide. And click on OK. Okay. See, the boundary has come to the page. Now there is another option in the page layout, in the page background, in the page border. There is another option called art. ये देखो, ये आर्ट लिखा हुआ है. इस आर्ट में अगर मैं कोई भी आर्ट चूज़ कर लेती हूँ, नंबर ऑफ आर्ट्स आर अवेलेबल. Suppose if I want the trees to be there, I can click on OK. So instead of the line, these trees will appear in the border of the page. Alright. So this is how you can apply border to the page, and you can also apply shading. Let's go back in this. We can go for the shading. You can choose which color you want for the shading. You want it to be how much percentage shading to be, कौन से color से shading करनी है आपने, and you can apply. Okay. This is how you can apply. जितना एरिया आपने सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है, या अगर आप उसे पढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो यू कैन कीप प्रेसिंग एंटर इन दैट शेडेड एरिया. इफ यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग आउट, बाहर आके आप क्लिक करो एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग इन द नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट, नॉर्मल एरिया विद द नॉर्मल बैकग्राउंड. So this is how you can apply shading on a particular area. See, over here, one thing I just forgot to tell you. Suppose if I want this color, this style with this color, and I want to apply it to the text. Let's try it once again. Let me choose shading. I want the color blue. I want it to be shaded 20%. I want to be shaded with this peach color, and I want to apply it to the text. Can you see? One option was paragraph, another option was text, and I have chosen text. So any of the option you can choose. After this, I will tell you something about columns. If I want, let's take a new page for it. If I want to divide my document into columns, for the columns I'll give you the example of newspaper. You have seen the newspaper, the text is not written from the left to the right. पूरा एक ही लाइन नहीं होती है. Number of columns are there in the newspaper. थोड़े थोड़े छोटे छोटे कॉलम्स बने होते हैं और उसमें टेक्स्ट लिखा होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, इसमें हम अगर लिख रहे हैं तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट एंड मूविंग टू द राइट. नो, आई जस्ट वांट टू राइट टिल दिस मच एंड द नेक्स्ट कॉलम शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द next to it. For that, what you can do is I can divide it into columns, and for dividing the document into the columns, I have to go to the page layout. In the page setup group, there is a columns option, and I can choose the number